Can you really make a quality meal with items from a dollar store? Yes, you can. Today, I'm going to show you how to make tostadas for the entire family, all with items that cost about $1. My name is Chef Matt, this is I Wanna Cook, and today we are dollar store dining tostada edition. Okay, we just spent less than $7. I'll meet you back in my kitchen. I'll show you how to put this together really quickly. And we are back in the kitchen. Now, first of all, I should mention that this video is not sponsored by any particular 99-cent store or any dollar store. These are just all ideas for you. And by all means, you don't have to shop at a dollar store to buy these ingredients. These ingredients are often found at a normal supermarket for about the same price. But I just want to show you that you can buy these ingredients cheaply and quickly, even at a dollar store. And our cheap and simple meal today is going to be tostadas. Now, if you've never had a tostada before, it is a Mexican dish. Think of it as kind of an open-faced sandwich, but instead of using bread, we are using a fried corn tortilla called a tostada shell. They are often found in packages just like this, but you can make them on your own as well. Last week, I fried up some corn tortillas and basically made a tostada shell. So yes, you can make them yourselves, but honestly, it's easier and almost as cheap just to buy them in a package just like this. Now, what I love about tostadas is they're not only cheap to make, but they are ridiculously easy too. Basically, all you need are some tostada shells, beans, lettuce, and cheese, and then the rest is up to you. So I did buy some salsa here. You could also use tomatoes or even an enchilada sauce, which you can also find at a dollar store. You could also add olives, you could add meat, you could add sour cream. If you want to be fancy, you could even add some avocados. Just like putting together a sandwich, really it's up to you. And I'm not too proud to say that, yes, I will use both a can opener and a microwave for this recipe. All we'll do is we will open this can of beans, put it in a microwave-safe dish, and then heat them until they are hot. And while the beans are heating, I'm gonna chop up some lettuce. And by the way, with iceberg lettuce, I like to just kind of remove this outer layer. Sometimes it's not so great. So here we go. Totally optional, but if you want to take your tostadas to the next level, put them on a tray and heat them in a toaster oven at about 250 degrees until they're just kind of nice and warm, a little bit toasty. Everything is heated and chopped. All we have to do now is assemble. Now, this is going to yield about 4 tostadas. If you are feeding a larger family or a hungrier family, then you'll probably want to buy 2 cans of beans instead of 1. Now, to create a tostada, we'll basically put a layer of beans right here on the shell. And again, these shells were toasted in a toaster oven, so they're hot and even more crispy. Now, this doesn't have to be pretty, it just has to be good, and trust me, it will be. So we'll just kind of layer these beans on, and actually we'll have a little beans left over too, so you can probably get maybe 5 or 6. It really depends on the size of the shell. These are a little bit smaller. Now all you have to do is put on your toppings. So again, we've got some lettuce here. We'll just kind of put these on. If you wanted to do a cooked meat, chicken, steak, beef, you name it, you could just do that too. What's nice about these is that these are gluten-free because it is a corn tortilla. And if you wanted to skip the cheese, you could also make these vegan in addition to vegetarian. Now you might have noticed that the cheese was actually the most expensive item in this list. So if you have cheese on hand, you can make these even cheaper. So we'll just put some cheese right over the top here, just like this. And then last but not least is our salsa. You could do tomatoes if you didn't want to do salsa, and you can really put the salsa on at any point. If you want to do this right over the beans, it really doesn't matter. It's just, you know, whatever your preference is. But we'll just kind of top this just like that. And we have got some beautiful tostadas, all made with items from a dollar store. This is also one of those meals that's actually really fun to make for the whole family. You know, you can get the kids involved. It's quick, easy, and cheap. Let's see how they taste though. Now with tostadas, you know, you can use a fork if you really want, but these are fun. You know, they're handheld, baby. So let's just kind of pick one of these up and let's make a mess. And that is a good tostada. I gotta say, I just picked this salsa up at random. This is a chipotle salsa, which is a smoked and dried jalapeno. And it's in this really nice kind of tangy sauce. Really good. Tostadas. So there you go. There's how to make a plate of tostadas with more left over, all with items from a dollar store. Now again, this costs less than $7, and again, we still have items left over. We have lettuce, we have salsa, cheese, so this can make more meals than this. And that's really a great way to stretch your dollar. So as always, thank you for watching. My name is Chef Matt. This is I Wanna Cook. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. If you are new to the channel, welcome. Welcome to my kitchen. I am so glad that you are here. Until next time, I hope that you want to cook. Today I'm going to show you how to make tostadas, all with items for